All right, folks, back in the seedy part of town, and we're looking for another Coney Island here in Flint. That's not it. Oh, you guys seen this building before. It's gotta be right up here somewhere. Oh, I see it. There it is. Coney. Seems like this is it. Someone beeping the horn at me. This is kind of shady. Another speaker box gone wrong. Yeah, just one original Flint Coney. $2. Okay, thank you. Jeez, afraid I'm gonna get shot in here. All right, so you can get a euro, fries and gravy, and Polish dog, and okra, and we're getting the hell out of this part of town. Look at that road. Okay, time to get the hell out of this place. Let's go somewhere else safe to eat. Okay, folks, that was about the shadiest looking Coney Island I have ever seen. And let's take a look at this Flint Coney. Oh, that is kind of wet. The dog looks a little dried up. I don't know. Cut some for the little lady. Is there enough for you right there?
Yep.
Okay. So there we go. Now that's all she wanted. I'm not trying to deprive her of food. They did give us some napkins. Little lady's gonna dig on hers. I will bravely eat mine. How's it taste to you?
Good.
she said, good. I don't see any hidden surprises in there. Onions are kind of, this is chopped. Sauce is kind of wet. I don't know if that's from the steam of the foiled wrapper or what. Buns are soft. Got some mustard on it. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's good. That is a one narrow hot dog. Really narrow. Maybe it's been cooked for a while. I don't know. I think I'd eat it again, but will I go there again? Never. That place was so tired looking. I don't know what kind of riffraff goes through there. But that's just me. Not a glorious review of a non-glorious Coney Island, but that's the way it goes. Yeah, I'm not going there no more though. It was tasty. It was good. Probably better than Apollo or Leo's. Let me interrupt this video right here. Hard-boiled egg. Little lady just made it. Sorry. Yeah, let me tell you this. This place called the Coney Grill. When you're pulling in there, the entrance is all tore up to hell. So I had to slow down. I'm slowing down. This road, the speed limit's like 50 miles an hour. So I'm slowing down. I got these people beeping the horn behind me. I was like, man, irritating. I was mad. Then I get in there. Did you guys see the entrance to the drive-thru? It's all gravel. It's freaking gravel. Unsat. And then you go up there, you make the order. She'll take your money. Little lady's watching the Filipino programming, making too much noise. Anyhow, you go through there, you give her the money. She turns around and starts making the food. Unsat. Maybe she washed her hands? I'm not sure. It took her a good while to make this Coney Island with this. It looked like an old hot dog because that diameter of the hot dog was shrunk, and they all use the same brand out here. And yeah, I got it. Took a little while. She made the hot dog, and you know, and then pulling out, you see the exit. You know, the driveway on the way out. Tore up. I don't understand why anybody would want to open a business and not be serious about it. I don't get it. Now the Flint Coney dog didn't taste bad, but man, I hope I don't feel sick tomorrow. I hope I don't feel sick tomorrow. I might feel sick eating this hard-boiled egg. But, you know, it's a Coney dog, a Flint Coney dog review. This is one's in the books. Folks, catch me on Facebook. I got a page there, Paulie Detmers. Check me out. I do break some information in there before I put it out in video. So, or hints of what I'm doing. Thank you. Please subscribe if you are not already. Please like. Please comment. Tell me I suck. Tell me I'm good. Tell me anything. Just don't tell me a lie. Until next time, I'm Paulie. I'm out.